I request everyone to switch on your cameras. Okay, so good evening, everyone. Unmute yourself, everyone. Unmute once. Good evening, everyone. No response. Why?
Good evening, Miss.
Yes, good evening, Aditya. Sanyam, Urvija, Meera, good evening. Urvija, your voice is not coming.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Meera. Good evening. Sanyam, good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. How are you all? Fine?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
It's good evening, Akash.
Good evening.
Good
Okay.
evening. Everyone fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Very good.
Ma'am, I'm in Saudi Arabia. Here is good afternoon.
Okay. Then good afternoon. Okay. So let's start with today's class. But before starting with the class, I want you all to listen to my instructions very carefully first. Okay. First thing is that I always start the class on time. So please log in before 2 minutes before the actual time, like your Monday, Tuesday and Thursday, the time is 5:30. Okay. So by 5:28, you should enter into the class. Okay. Secondly, first thing is that class will start on time. So be on time before 2 minutes also. Secondly, if you want to speak something, you want to say something, either you want to ask any question, you just digitally raise your hand, not manual raise hand, digitally by the computer, raise your hand. Is that two instructions clear? Because if everyone will speak together, I'm not going to able to hear what they are saying, and you will also will face problem. Okay. So kindly raise your hand digitally if you want to ask or say something. Okay. You will definitely get the chance. Okay. So let's start with the class. I want thumbs up from everyone. Keep your cameras on and don't go anywhere till the class is going. You will get in between 5 minutes break. At that time you can leave. Okay. Not leave. You can go somewhere. Okay. And come back after 5 minutes. No delay in the timing, no delay in the break. Okay. Shall we start now? I hope you will cooperate and you will not violate the instructions. Yes? Okay. So today we are going to start with the first chapter, that is plants. I think little bit everyone knows about the plants. What are plants? Yes? So let's check whether you have understood the instructions or not. Nobody raising the hand. Why? Not manual. Akash, digital, raise your hand. Yes, good. Yes, Vatsal. Can you tell a little bit about plants?
Plants have different parts like leaves, stem, branches, fruits, flowers.
Very good. Very good. So these are, you are discussing about the parts of the plant. Anything else you know?
Yes, leaf also has different types of plants like leaf blade, margin, veins.
Yes. That's very good. Yes, Aditya? Hands down now, Vatsal. When your turn is over, keep your hands down. Yes.
Plants give oxygen when they photosynthesize, and plants also help us living beings live, and they also and they prepare food for us, and etc.
Very good. Okay. Yes, Sayam?
Plants have two parts. One is root, which is below the soil, and shoot is above the soil
Very good.
that we can see.
Yes, yes, that we can see. Okay. Anything else?
Plants give us oxygen and food.
Okay, good. Very good. Yes, Pratyush?
And leaves have chlorophyll substances. That's why the leaves green in color.
Green in color and also can prepare their food with the help of chlorophyll. Yes? Okay. Yes,
ma'am.
Meera? Hands down. Keep your hands down. Akash.
Yes.
Leaves are the
No,
plants.
I told you hands down, Akash. I told you
Okay,
keep
ma'am.
your hand down.
Leaves are the plants. Leaves are the kitchen of plants.
Leaves are the kitchen, but I'm asking about the plants. What do you know about the plants? Anything else you want to say, Meera? Add on something?
There are 4 types of plants. Like creepers, climbers, trees, and plant and small plants. Herbs, shrubs.
Herb shrubs are small plants. Yes. Okay, hands down now. Okay, so a little bit you all know about what are plants. So we are going to start. So in the plants topic, the first topic.
Ma'am, I also want to say Unicus Mishra.
Okay. Speak.
Okay.
Speak, beta.
Okay. The plants can take carbon dioxide and it can give us oxygen, but they can not talk, they can not walk, but they are also alive.
Yes, very good. So everyone now mute
Thank you.
yourself. Okay, mute yourself, everyone. Now in the plants topic, first topic is living and non-living. I hope you are familiar with this word, what is living and what is non-living. So we are going to one by one discuss the features that how we can characterize anything on the basis of this, that whether it is living or whether it is non-living. So many things you can see around you. See around you, everyone. So many things are there. Now we need to characterize them, that whether they are living or whether they are non-living. So there are some characteristic features of living and non-living. Is the screen visible to everyone? Give a thumbs up. Is the screen visible? Okay. So coming to living and non-living. So any characteristics which anyone wants to say about living and non-living?
Miss me. Living things.
Like you are not following the instructions I'm seeing. Everyone I've given the instructions, you will get the chance. You have to raise hand digitally. No answer in chorus. Yeah, that's good. Yes, Aditya.
Living things have life. Non-living things don't have life.
Okay.
And no.
Okay, hands down, please. Vatsal.
Ma'am, living things walk, talk, and move.
Okay.
But non-living things don't
Yeah.
talk, but they walk by some things like we move a car.
So we are applying the force, isn't
Yes.
it? It's not moving on its own. So we can't say that they walk. Okay. Yes, Akash. Hands down.
Man, living thing can move, walk, smell.
Yes, very good.
They
So
can do
all know
anything.
about living things.
Non-living thing can get help, like
Okay.
umbrella, cap.
Yes,
car.
yes, very good. Yes, everyone now keep your hands down. Let's start with it. Keep your hands down, everyone now. Everyone. Meera, Pratyush, everyone, hands down, hands down. Let me start now, please. Hands down. Okay, so there are so many things which we can see in this picture, yes? The swing is there, the trees, the duck is there, the water is there, okay? The houses are there. So we have to characterize them whether they are living or non-living, okay? For that, we should know all the characteristics of living and non-living. Things which like the human beings, plants and animals, they are living things, and the car, phone, building, all these are non-living things. Living and non-living, you can see the plants, the animals, means basically we are characterizing in living things are all the plants and all the animals are characterized in living things. Is that clear? Clear to everyone? Okay. Things that now the characteristics are coming. Please listen carefully. Everyone be attentive, please. Things that breathe, you know, yes. Move from one place to another means moving, grow, like you are growing, yes. Eat, give birth to their young ones, like the humans and animals giving the birth to young ones. Have feelings. Do we have feelings or not? Do we have feelings or not? Yes.
Yes.
We feel happy. Who is speaking like this? Again and again, I have to speak the instructions. Please. Have feelings, and they die also, means they have a particular lifespan. Okay, they have a particular, if they are taking birth and they will die after some years or some days or something like that. That means the living things have particular lifespan. This is known as lifespan. These are known as living things. All the examples are here. Non-living, same, but they do not do all these things. They are non-living. Okay. Now this is a question in front of you. Read the question, everyone, and then raise your hand. Aditya, be attentive. Yes, Vatsal has raised hand first. Yes.
Ma'am, C part is the correct answer. Only C.
Only C. So, yes.
Because bus is not a living thing, and we drive it, then it moves.
Okay. So only C part is the answer. That is, only the puppy will grow into a dog. Now comes a natural and a man-made things. Natural things means that which is given by the nature, and man-made things are those which we are making. Okay, I repeat again. Natural things are those which are given by the nature, and man-made things are those which human beings are making. For example, air. Is it natural or not? Give a thumbs up. Akash, keep your hands down, beta. Yes. Okay. Water. Natural. Okay. Forest. Natural. Okay. Coming to buildings. Buildings. Man-made. Buildings. Man-made. Roads.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Who is speaking?
Ma'am, it's Aman Sanoj.
Please raise your hand. If you want to speak anything, raise your hand. Yes. Yes, Aman?
Ma'am, is this group 3 class?
Yes, this is group of 4 grade 3 batch 4 class.
Okay, ma'am.
You are in this class only then?
Yes, ma'am. I am
Okay.
in grade 3.
Okay, okay, Aman. You joined, I think, little bit late. Okay. Yes, so we were discussing about natural things and man-made things. So natural, which is given by the God, that is the nature. Man-made, like your buildings, roads, bridges, these are man-made. Coming to fossils. So what are fossils? When the animals, they are preserved. Okay, they are known as fossils. Means like the fossil of dinosaur. Okay, fossil of other animals. So there are fossils, means they are preserved for So fossils are preserved. I want, Meera, can you read it? Fossils are?
Fossils are the preserved remains or traces of remains of ancient organisms.
Yes, ancient organism means old organism, thousands years old organisms. Yes, their remains are being preserved. That is known as fossils. Read second line.
They are formed by creating an impression.
Impression means, for example, thumb impression. We put thumb impression somewhere. So that is the meaning of impression. If I press something on my hand, it will leave an impression on my hand, isn't it? Yes, if I press something on my hand, it will leave an impression. So this is the meaning of impression. Like you can see in this picture, it is the impression of a fish, isn't it? Yes, next line.
They are rocks. They can preserve an entire organism or just its part.
Yes, both the things are there. Fossil can be if the entire organism is preserved, or fossil can be if some parts of the organisms are preserved. Clear? Once living, now dead. Okay, means once they are living, but after making something about it, they are dead. Akash, someone else is also attending class with you?
Ma'am, sorry, my brother is sitting.
I think you should only sit if you are only attended the class.
Okay.
This is not the way, na? If you are attending, then you should only sit. Okay? Please focus the camera on you only, please. Thank you so much. So once living, now dead. Once alive, but now physically inactive. Things that were once living and now they are non-living. What are that things which were living earlier, but now they are non-living? For examples, fossils. Fossils are, they were living earlier, but fossils are what? When they die, they leave an impression on the rocks or somewhere. That is, fossil is living, but now it is non-living. Wood. Wood is living when it is in the tree, isn't it? But we make things of wood, that is non-living. Clear? Leather bag. Leather means of an animal that is living when it was on animal. But we have made bag of it, that is non-living now. Clear? Dried flowers means flowers are living when they are on the plants. Dried, they fall down and they dry up. That means they are dead. Clear? Yes. Read the questions. Amen and Akash, your hands are raised. Do you want to ask something? You want to say something? If not, then please
Ma'am,
keep
what is fossil?
Fossil. Fossil are the remains of the dead organism. Suppose 1,000 million years back or dinosaurs were there and all that. So now we can find out their fossils, not the real dinosaurs, isn't it? Somewhere when they died due to rock or something. So they left an impression on the rock or somewhere. That is known as fossil.
Any kind of symbol it is?
Any kind of?
Symbol?
Any kind of? I'm not getting your word.
Any kind of assemble it is?
Assemble? What do you mean by assemble?
Ma'am is
Assemble like assemble something.
Assembling is something else. Assembling is joining something. I'm not saying assembling.
Okay.
Assembling means so joining something, like assembling the parts of the car and you've made a car. That is the meaning of assembling. I'm not talking of assembling. I'm talking of the dead animals.
It is symbol. By mistakenly I told that. Sorry. Symbol.
Symbol is what?
Symbol it's like this something. If you have something symbol like this one symbol.
Sorry, I'm not getting you. Please give the answer of the question, Aditya. First question answer. I am white in color. I fly in the sky. I have wings.
Ma'am, Miss, the answer is aeroplane.
Aeroplane. So I think all can unscramble it. Can you, Aditya, unscramble all the four? First one is?
First one is parachute.
Second one is aeroplane. Third one is?
PIE, tie.
Fourth one?
Submarine.
Submarine. So in the sky, we find aeroplane, which is white in color. Vatsal, second question, Sonia's teacher.
Miss, my last answer, D was wrong.
Ma'am, can I answer? Ma'am, the answer for second question is a fossil.
Okay. Yes. Understood, everyone? One problem I'm seeing in this class, if you have given the answer or your doubt is cleared, keep your hands down. It creates confusions and others also don't get the chance. It's a request to all. If your doubt is clear, the question has been answered, now keep your hands down, okay? Meera, first question.
Which of the following is a man-made thing? Nail polish.
Very good. Next question. Sanyam.
Yes, ma'am.
Next question.
Teacher said to the class, one thing below is different from the other things. Identify the odd thing out. Spider, butterfly, fallen tree branch, sunflower.
Tell the answer.
A, spider.
Spider? You have to classify on the basis of living and non-living, Sanyam. Spider is living, butterfly is living, sunflower is living. What is written here? Fallen tree branch. If the tree branch will be fallen, it will be dead. So the answer is fallen tree branch. Clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Aman, now it's the question for you.
Observe the picture below. Which of the following belongs to the group of non-living things? Observe the picture below. Ma'am, the teddy, ball, skateboard, and mushroom and
Teddy,
tree.
ball, skateboard, and
Mushroom and tree.
no. Mushroom are living. Mushroom are living.
Tree.
Teddy, ball, skateboard, and cloud. Okay.
Cloud, yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, Aditya. Next question for you.
Plants grow, like they grow from the ground.
No, both grow. This is not a answer.
Not that. Like, if like plants grow from the ground, like the rabbits, like actually like
No, it's not the
they
answer.
grow like that.
No, it's not the answer.
Oh yeah, no. The rabbit is an animal, not a plant.
A plant is different from a rabbit because a rabbit
It's not a plant.
No. Akash, you want to try?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, rabbit can walk and run, and
Yes,
eat.
because rabbit can move from one
Yes.
place to another in search of food, but not
Yes.
the plant. Yes.
Yes. The plant cannot move, walk.
Yes, that's it.
They are
Over.
alive
Yes, it's
only.
over. Don't go into detail. We have done that. Now, all the characteristics of living things are there. There are 7 things. Movement, they can move. Respiration, respire means breathing. Sensitivity. What is sensitivity? Understand it. For example, I touch a hot object. Okay, what will happen? I will quickly keep my hand away, isn't it? I'm touching a hot object. What will happen? Quickly, I'm taking the hand back. Yes. What is happening? This is sensitivity. This is what? Sensitivity. Sensitivity is what? Like there is a hot object is a stimulus, and what I am doing is a response. I repeat again. Hot object is a stimulus. It is a thing. And what I am doing is I'm putting my hand back. That is a response to that stimulus. Clear? For example, an insect bites you. You simply say, ah, what is that? The insect bite is a stimulus, and your voice, which you are screaming, is the response which you are giving on the insect bite. Clear? Means the quick reaction which you give is the response. Is this clear to everyone? So sensitivity, the plants and animals both are sensitive. I'll just tell you in detail. Let's show you. Coming to nutrition. Nutrition means they have to eat and grow. That is nutrition. Excretion. Excretion means they need to excrete the waste from the body. That is known as excretion. Reproduction. Reproduction means they give birth to young ones, whether they give birth to young ones like the dogs and humans they give, and the other one like your crocodiles, reptiles, they lay eggs, the birds lay eggs and give birth to young one. Clear to everyone? So in both the cases, but non-living do not reproduce, isn't it? The bus, the car, the table, we will not reproduce. Growth. Growth we have already done. The plants or the animals both will grow, yes, but not the non-living things. So I want everyone to read this boxes. Yes, Meera?
Ma'am, what is mean by excretion?
Excretion means, for example, like we are humans, yes, we excrete our waste from the body, yes, urine is there, fecal matter is there, we are excreting this waste from the body. This is known as excretion.
Okay.
Okay. All these processes, these are the names given.